If you've stuck with me this far, thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed our little journey in this project as we examined different tangle patterns and then brought them all together at the end. And I thought that this video, hopefully not becoming too tedious in the length here, but I thought that this video might be a fun way to wrap up the project. So as you know, we completed the drawing, the full scene that we created in the last video. And in this video, let's just take a quick look at what we did. And if you followed along, hopefully you did something very, very similar. So we went through all these tangles. We had tunnel vision, binks, struts, pipes, rixty, and squigs. And of course, I added a little alien at the end, which we taught you in the last last video rather, just a very simple little tangle, and we also did a UFO in the process and just some other little enhancements. But with those that we drew together, created by those other artists and so forth, we came up with our scene, which I went ahead and colored. Even though that wasn't part of the last video, I did want to do that and just show you another option of what it can look like. Now in my case, I just used some alcohol markers and added some additional shading and little minor details here and there, but it's really that simple. I just colored in the drawing that we completed, and this is the result of that. But I thought it might be fun also to show you a little bit about what went into it. So one day when I was tangling and doodling and I had come up with these tangles, I threw this little guy together and I thought, well, that's kind of fun. Maybe we'll enhance that. So I started creating on Post-its little sketches of what I might do and how we might open up that drawing and create an actual scene. And here was the little dude that I came up with there. And I had originally doodled some different guys that looked kind of like this. And of course, this was very random and generic and didn't really have a cohesive vibe to it. So I started to do a sketch and thought, well, maybe something more like this. I don't know if you can see that very well. It's just in pencil. Just started sketching out an idea on a single phi tile and thought, well, no, let's put it together. So then I did a little more serious test run, and you can see the basic elements of our final drawing are here and the same, but this was not coordinated, and so it doesn't gel together. It doesn't look like a complete scene. The proportions are out of whack and so on. But if you see both of them, you can see how it got improved over time. That it was just something that, you know, came together through several things. And in fact, I often even do sketches on just plain old scrap paper as I'm trying to come up with some ideas, placement, and what might go into the scene and so forth. So this was just a fun way for me to hopefully wrap that up for you and let you see what went into it. But the bottom line is, I've really appreciated your time. If you followed all through these various sessions in this series, I'm very grateful for that. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to what we might come up with together in the future. With that, I will bid you adieu and hope that you have a great evening or day, depending on when you're seeing this, and I look forward to seeing everyone soon again. Bye-bye now.